Hello everyone, welcome to your French class. In today's video, we'll study about présentez-vous, which means to present yourself. So let's get started. So let's start with first things first, salutations. Or salutation. Bonjour, bonsoir or salut. Bonjour, which means good morning. Bonsoir, which means good evening. Whereas salut just means hello or hi. If we segregate or separate these two, it comes as bon means good, jour means day. So in the daytime, we'll greet each other as bonjour. Similarly, bon means good and soir means night, or soir actually means evening. Nuit means night. If you say bonne nuit, it means good night. And you say good night when you're going to sleep. And salut, which means simply hello or hi. Then you'll start off with by telling your name. Je m'appelle Mark, or je m'appelle Mary, je m'appelle etc. Whatever your name is. This is your telling your name. And when you have to ask someone's name, you'll ask as quel est votre nom? Quel est votre nom? Je m'appelle Mark, je m'appelle Mary, or whatever your name is. Quel est votre nom? Je m'appelle XYZ. And now when you have to say what do you do, then you are a student, then you have to tell je suis étudiant or je suis étudiante. Je suis étudiante in the case of masculine when you are a male person, feminine when you are female. And when you have to ask that what are you, then you have to ask qu'est-ce que vous faites dans la vie. Qu'est-ce que vous faites dans la vie? Qu'est-ce que vous faites dans la vie? So what do you do? Answer je suis étudiant or je suis étudiant. And for more professions, I will post it in my later videos. When you have to tell where do you stay, so j'habite Mahatma Gandhi Road or Delhi. So your locality or your address. Your locality or your address at Delhi, your city. And when you have to ask où habitez, vous? Où habitez-vous? J'habite Mahatma Gandhi Road or Delhi. When someone asks you où habitez-vous, then you have to answer j'habite where you stay, the locality, then your city. Now when someone asks you what is your nationality, when you have to tell someone your nationality, so je suis né à Delhi, je suis indien, je suis indienne. Né means to be born, so when you conjugate it comes as né. Je suis né à Delhi, this is a past participle. I haven't taught it, but I will post this in my later videos, how to conjugate the past tense or passé composé. So je suis né à Delhi, je suis indien or indienne. This is Delhi is a city, and indien or indienne. Your nationality masculine, nationality Indian, nationality feminine. And when you have to ask someone what is their nationality, so quel est votre quelle est votre nationalité? Quelle est votre nationalité? So je suis indien, je suis indienne. Je suis né à Delhi, whatever city you are born in. Je suis né à Mumbai, je suis né à Bangalore, je suis né à Punjab. Je suis indien or je suis indienne. Now when you have to tell someone that how many languages you speak, so you'll say je parle, which means I speak, then your languages. So if I speak Hindi or English and fluent French, I'll say je parle Hindi, anglais et très bien français. Anglais is English, but if it is with small a, it is English language as well as the nationality also. Hindi, anglais et très bien français. When you have to ask someone how many what languages they speak, so quelle langue quelle langue parlez-vous? So je parle Hindi, anglais et très bien français. Or if you are not if you are just a beginners in speaking French, you can also say je parle petit peu de français. Now when you have to tell someone that you are not married or you are married, how to tell your marital status. So you can tell if you are unmarried, you can say je suis célibataire. Je suis célibataire, je ne suis pas marié or je ne suis pas marié. In here, in marié word, masculine, feminine, only the spellings differ, otherwise the pronunciation is same. So, je suis célibataire, je ne suis pas marié. Or, if you have to say I am married, I am not unmarried, you can also do the reverse of it. The negative sentences I have done in my previous videos. You can check the link below in the description box. You can see je ne suis pas marié, je ne suis pas célibataire, je suis marié. And if you have to ask their marital status, you can simply ask vous êtes célibataire, or you can also ask vous êtes marié. In case of masculine, in case of feminine. You can simply ask vous êtes célibataire or vous êtes marié. So if the answer comes vous êtes célibataire, means the person is unmarried. And if the answer comes vous êtes marié, je suis marié, then the person is married. So that's all for today. If you have any doubts, if you want to ask someone, tell us something, you want to give us your opinions or anything else you want to talk to us, please email us at understandthefrench@gmail.com. Thank you very much.